Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we are going to be building Cupid's bow and arrow. Your bow and arrow will look something like this and it really works. I'll show you. Okay, so in your kit you will find a popsicle stick, a Q-tip, and elastic cord. At home you will need scissors, a bowl of warm water, markers to decorate your bow, and tissues. Okay, the first step is to soak your popsicle stick in your warm water for about an hour. So go ahead and time that and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, after it's been an hour, go ahead and take your popsicle stick out and you want to dry it. So take those tissues and dry your stick pretty well. You can press on it as well. And dry it out so it's not dripping. And then you're ready for the next step. So the next step is to cut out notches at both ends of your popsicle stick. And I'm going to draw the little notches so you know where they're supposed to go. So you're going to cut along where the pencil is and you're going to cut those two triangles out at both ends. So go ahead and do that. Once you're done cutting those notches out, go ahead and bend. And you want to press from the center and you want to press against the popsicle stick. And you're trying to create an arch. You don't want to break it, so do it very slowly and very softly. You might have to do it for about a minute, but eventually it'll keep its shape. So go ahead and do that until you get a nice arch for your bow. Once your bow has that nice arch, grab your markers and decorate it. Okay, the next step is to take your elastic cord and now you are going to tie it around those notches. So go ahead and do that to the top and the bottom. That way you'll tie it here and then you'll attach it at the bottom so you can pull. Go ahead and double knot. That way it definitely stays attached. And trim that extra bit at the top and do it again at the bottom. done with that part. So now that you're all done with your bow, go ahead and set that aside, and we're going to create our arrow, which is our Q-tip. All we're going to do is cut off one end with your scissors. So go ahead and do that. And now you are all done. Now that you've made your bow and arrow, I'm going to show you how to use it. What you're going to do is you're going to line the elastic cord with the bow, just like that, and you're going to pull back with your thumb and your index finger. Go ahead and aim, and then release. If that's not as comfortable for you, you can also use your thumb and your middle finger, and go ahead and pull back and release. So whichever is most comfortable for you. Have fun. Did you know the origins of the bow and arrow are prehistoric? Bow and arrow points dating to 61,000 years ago have been found in Cebudu Cave in South Africa.